Hey, Sleepover Party Business Besties, it's Carmen and I am back with another video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and turn on your post notification bells. Also, follow me on Instagram at raining_sleepover_parties and at your_sleepover_business_bestie. All right, today's video is going to be about how I keep my items clean. This is a requested video, so let's jump right into it. So I'm going to kind of do this video and kind of go down the list of items that we use for sleepovers and tell you how I clean them or how you can clean them. So first, let's start with your bedding. That is not your pillows, your pillow covers, your sheets, and your blankets. Those can be done by you and washed in sensitive detergent. You can use, fabric sheets or not, but I would definitely use something without any type of fragrances or anything like that to prevent allergic reactions or any type of reactions for your customers. And if you use a laundry service who will do the laundry for you, I would just request that they use, a product or detergent that is clear and free. So my number one tip is to wash or get your bedding washed with a clear and free detergent, and you can use dryer sheets or not. All right, next let's move on to your tents. Whether they are A-framed or they are like teepee tents, you can either steam your tents, with a steamer, because the steam should kill any, bacteria or anything like that. You can wash them. I wouldn't wash canvas striped tents, but the lace tents are absolutely perfect to wash. If you have A-frame tents and you have, your fabric, you can wash those too. That is fine. I would get some type of stain remover for your canvas tents that cannot be washed. And the tents that cannot be washed, you can get a fabric sanitizing spray. This is the one I use. It is by Clorox and it smells great. It's not too strong, and I believe it kills all the germs. All right, as far as my decorative pillows or plush items, I again use my fabric sanitizing spray. Any like accent pillows with the covers, if they are visibly soiled or, a child gets makeup, slime, food on them, I just throw them in the washer. I have never had any problem with any of those. So, and I do not wash them every single time. I just don't. You can do what you want. I will spray them if they are not dirty, because they're throw pillows, they're props. Even the stuffed animals, of course, you probably can't wash those. So I just spray those down and let them air out in my unit, and they are just fine. All right, moving on to my harder items, such as my trays, my lanterns, any hard props. I just use some Clorox wipes and wipe them down after every single use, because there'll be some type of, crumbs, debris, whatever. So yes, that is what I do with the hard items. Just use Clorox wipe. So the rugs that I have, and I just got rugs within the last few months, I think. They're from Amazon. They're pretty inexpensive. I will link them in the description if you are interested. But I just pretty much throw those in the washer if they are physically stained. If not, I will vacuum them and spray them down with my handy dandy Clorox spray. All right, so I'm just going to quickly go over the products that I use. I use Clorox wipes. I use the Clorox fabric sanitizing spray. I use my free and clear detergent for any pillows or bedding. And I also use this, if you have anybody that smokes, make sure they don't smoke. But it's happened to me before. I had someone smoke. I used this Febreze odor wash. I will try to find it and link it. And it was amazing. If you have any harsh odors, whether it be animal, smoke, anything like that, this detergent works great. Another thing you can do to try to keep, in this world of germs and COVID and everything else going on, you can make sure you wash your hands upon arrival. Keep some sanitizer with you. Take your Clorox wipes. I take my wipes to every single party, and I pretty much have to use them. So I hope that answers any questions you guys may have. Leave a comment below if you have any other questions. You always know you guys can DM me, email me, whatever you got to do. But let's stay safe and clean.